All right, and we're here with example 1 from 8.2, which is on area. And we have a couple painters, or some painters, that have been hired to paint one wall of an auditorium. That's super exciting. And they need to calculate how many gallons of paint they need to purchase for the job. So that seems reasonable. If you're going to paint a wall, you got to find out how much paint you need. This seems like this might be helpful. And the specifications are as follows. This is the wall that they're going to paint is 60 feet long and 18 feet high. There are 5 windows along the wall that are 3 by 7 feet each. And a gallon of paint will cover approximately 350 square feet. The wall's going to need 2 coats of paint. One's not going to be good enough, so they're going to need 2. And then the paint costs $14.95 per gallon, and we want to know what is this going to cost. So how much money do we need for the paint for this job? So what would help is maybe to draw a picture. So we're going to draw a rough picture here, and that's not really a rough picture. That looks pretty nice to me. And the area of the wall, including the windows, is 60 feet by 18 feet. So there's 60 feet by 18 feet because that's the information that's given. Here's the wall we're looking at. There are 5 windows that are all 3 feet by 7 feet. So we have all those windows indicated there in their measures. And then what we're going to have to do is figure out exactly, well, the area of the window is going to be 21 feet squared. So the area of each of these windows is 21 feet, and there are 5 of them, and they're all the same. So therefore, the area of the windows alone is 105 feet squared. Well, why is that important? Because we're not going to paint the windows. So then we're going to take the area of the whole wall, which is going to be 60 by 18, which is this 1080. 1080 is 60 times 18. That's the area of the whole wall, but we're going to take away the area that the windows are taken up. So we need to paint 975 square feet of this wall because the windows don't need to be painted. So we're going to take that 975 feet squared and we're going to divide it by 350 because 1 gallon of paint will cover approximately 350 square feet. So this tells us how many gallons of paint we're going to need. However, that's only enough for 1 coat. So 2.79 gallons will cover just 1 coat of the area that we need to paint. So we're going to double that because we need 2 coats, which is going to be approximately 5.58 gallons because 2.79 times 2 is 5.58. And since the paint is typically bought in gallons, you can't just walk in and say, I need 5.58 gallons of paint. If you can, that would be great. But usually paint is just sold by the gallon. So you're going to need to buy 6 gallons of paint. 5 isn't enough. 6 is the next reasonable or option up. So you're going to get 60 gallons of paint to complete the job. And then, therefore, if each gallon is $14.95, you're going to take $14.95 times the 6 gallons that you need, and that's going to cost you about $89.70 to paint this wall with 2 nice coats of paint.